Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when you can't see your own comment on the Instagram. If you are new to here, hit the subscribe button for more quick tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Check if it is a bug or account restrictions. Sometimes Instagram temporarily hides comments if your account has restrictions. To check that, go to Instagram and click on your profile icon. And you can see a menu option here. Click on that, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see option called account status. Once it's loaded, you can see any restriction here or comment ban. Step 2. Make sure to update your Instagram. Outdated versions can be cause more bugs, so make sure to update. For that, minimize this one and go to the App Store and click on the search icon and search Instagram, and if you see an update option here, click update. Android also same, you can go to the Play Store and update the Instagram. Third one, this is going to be a temporary fix, so for that go to Instagram and click on your profile icon, click on the menu bar, and you can see option called your activity. Click on that and click comments. So you can see all your comments you have mentioned to your friends. So click on your one comments and it will activate your comment. So this way you can see your comments. Step 4. Go back and click on your profile icon and click the menu bar, scroll all the way down and click log out and log back. This can be clear the temporary caches. So you can try and log in from instagram.com. You can provide your password and log and check your comments are available. Or if this is not work, take another new device and install your Instagram app and check if the comments are available. And nothing work at all, this could be a temporary bug from Instagram, so wait 24 hours and it will automatically get fixed. Thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe.